I recently discovered a new way to make a very own custom pellet gun for less than $1. All you need is a toilet paper roll, balloon, or a half a balloon, and the projectile. What I'm using is a dime. So first, you have to take the balloon, put it on the toilet paper roll. It doesn't matter which side. Put it on. Second. It's taking a while. Sorry, I don't have a camera person. I'm not that rich yet. Sorry, it's taking me a long time. First time I did this. Okay. So it should look a little like this. Or you can make it tighter. And finally, a way to shoot it. Take the projectile, you put it in the BB gun or toilet paper roll, and all you do is pull back, and voila. Now let's see it in action. Sorry, that was a dud. Oops. Well, watch Full Monty Man's video, and it does work. Please.